Welcome, Adja Numerology and Guide Analyst number for March 28, 2026. 2 pin slot at 8:31 eh. At asahin na lang po niyo sa whiteboard ko, educational purpose only. At 2 pin slot, 8:31, pumili lang din po kayo sa mga analyze na number na sa aking whiteboard. Tapos 9 pin slot 25-9. At 2 pin slot pin numbers 33. Lunar Chart Analyst 929 at Special Calculation 64. Okay? Magbibigay na ako sa inyo ng Adja Numerology and Guide Analyst Daily Numbers Analyst was Adja 2-digit 63, 630, 6323, 1010. Yan po ay twin numbers. Spotlight Mix 1011, 316, 1160 o 103. Daily Numbers Analyst was Adja 3-digit 78 o 788, 789 o 78. Yan po yung mix. Uh, 678-978 at 342, yan po yung connected numbers. At 00-111-222-333 at 444 at 55 at 66, yan po ay twin numbers. Educational purpose only. Good luck. At ang ating analysis ay base lamang sa numerical probabilities at para sa educational purpose lamang at walang kinalaman sa anumang uri ng sugal. Muli, magandang umaga mga ka-adja at good luck.